Mi salon fambul dem unado desa Alpha Saidu Bangura. They bring to una another edition of Kapu Sense No Kapu Word. Today, Monday, August 28, 2017. A government na a group of people empowered by law for orderly manage and control the affairs of a country. A government, they get the power where the constitution, when are the supreme law, they give them for make the orderly manage and control the affairs of the country. But waiting we the people of Sierra Leone don't see from September of 2007 to today, what they talk to us so, now that President Ernest Koroma and a minister them not able for orderly control and manage the affairs of Sierra Leone, which means collectively they don't fail for justify we for call them a government. They don't fail in their responsibilities. They don't fail in their duties. They don't fail in the obligation where they owe to we, the people of Sierra Leone. Every 5 years, we, the people of Sierra Leone, they get the power for elect new leaders. By God's own power, that authority they will get, that constitutional right there, it will take place on the 7th of March 2018. And do ya let we not allow the APC for change that date today at all. Because the mandate where now 5 years they're supposed for day, it go done long before that date they would put. But we go accept, in the interest of moving forward, we go accept the 7th of March 2018. If they want for manufacture any excuse for make them continue for dinner power, let we not allow that. Because President Ernest Koroma and the APC government don't fail for orderly manage and control we country. Now that make Agbara go come, he kill almost 1,000 people. As of now, they only don't find about 500. Boku other one than they, we don't get automatic grave under them poto than they. The government's not able for even get the machinery, the machine them for pull the balanced people are within that poto day. And we all know say the rain, it must come. Every year we get in season. And because the government don't give permit, they don't allow people for build Osna, all the major water side them. When the rain come, the water no get no side for go. It turn AB Agbara, it begin kill people. And let me also make una know say, not to just free tongue, we get that kind of problem we'll get to. Even upline, not just that they don't know it. If you go to Kono, you go see say the government don't allow people that don't dig all about to the point where in the day where AB Agbara go come, beaucoup people and go lost their life because the government not care about their life them. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, where you get a government where not care about people their life, then you go no say not to responsible government nande, not to good government nande. Because it is the responsibility of government for safeguard people their life them. All them people them where they build us Fiti Fata, na Watasayo, na we Guma Valley, in dam area o. Na then side the wood and they dig diamond o. Na then heal them upline o. They all get permit from government. Every day we dey how we Ministry of Lands and the Environment official them, they sell the one whole country out. All waiting and care about now for get money for make them and their family they enjoy. When the thing and they happen, then you go no say President Ernest Koroma and the APC not able for orderly control and manage the affairs of Sierra Leone. Therefore, we don't even get the right for call them government, because a government for able for orderly manage and control the affairs of the country. But we see the lawlessness, we see the total disrespect, for we lost them every day. The president, a minister, them all, APC official, them all, then they fail for follow we law them. And if you have government officials where they fail for follow the law then at the country, then they na pathetic, na sorrowful situation that. When President Ernest Koroma and the minister them, when they take the oath of office, then be swear say, then go uphold, maintain and defend all we lost then at the country. But what they see now, they're not able to do that, then it means not to good people them. And when they make them carelessness, then they, when they fail for efficiently enforce we lost them, now 7.3 million people and they suffer. We, the people who will suffer, we for ensure that the March 2018 elections will come. All them bad people them, all them people them, we not work fine. We not for elect them again. And for let we go able to do that well, now that make me volunteer. Say I go find out the records, the thing the way they don't do, and I go present them to una for let una know who done a good person and who done a bad person, so that una no go elect the bad people again. Today I go present to una the records and past performances of Ambassador Umaru Wuri, where beaucoup people can call Bon Wuri, and Ambassador Aliyu Badara Kamara, where na the National Secretary General of the SLPP. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, Ambassador Umaru Bon Wuri na a very distinguished Sierra Leonean. He born na the Potloko district. He go school na Bo Government Secondary School. Then can call him Bo School. After that, he go university, he go study, and then he work as ambassador na Boku country them. He don't represent we as ambassador na Nigeria, and we been did it. He make sure say the Nigerian government be help we pan Boku team them, especially for build up we army for make them better. He commode, he go be we ambassador na Saudi Arabia, where been did it. He make sure say the government of Saudi Arabia be help we Boku, then give we Boku grant them Boku money for develop Sierra Leone. And Ambassador Bon Wuri been bring them money, then they come and then be use them for develop the country. Ambassador Bon Wuri also be representing in Germany, and while he been there as we ambassador, he be make the government of Germany be help we pan Boku team them pan transport business, the help we pan agriculture They also help we for road improvement. Where it be the Germany, it be also responsible for Italy, and the Italians themselves be help with boku, especially for that bumbuna business, that electricity improvement. And because of the good paddy business, where Ambassador Uri been get with them be even give you some discount. They reduce the cost price of that bumbuna hydroelectricity system there. Ambassador Umar Uri also don't represent Sierra Leone. They can call him, he don't be with permanent representative na boku United Nations agency them. And it be work fine. It be make the United Nations be help we pan boku team them, especially pan them picking a well body business. Ambassador Umar Ubon Uri, he been do one remarkable thing where I want to let all SLPP member them understand, and I go encourage them for copy that example there. Now the APC been pick him as ambassador. He worked when President J.S. Momo can lift the ban on political activities in 1991. Naim Ambassador Bonwuri go meet him. He tell him thank you for we make ambassador, and he tell President J.S. Momo say in na SLPP member. He say in uncle we in take as in papa, the late Pa Amadou Wuri when have been principal na both school, and na the first secretary general of the